Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you BudgetBakers Wallet Review. Great budgeting app. BudgetBakers Wallet is a personal finance app designed to make budgeting, expense tracking, and goal setting simple and intuitive. It features a clean, cross-platform interface that works on Android, iOS, and web, complete with automated bank syncing from thousands of institutions, multiple budget periods, split transactions, and detailed analytics for spending trends and forecasting. Its polished design and robust budgeting tools make it ideal for beginners or those who prefer manual tracking. However, users should be cautious. Bank sync can be unreliable, customer support is often unresponsive, and there are reports of data loss during upgrades. Privacy and multi currency management are also limited. Overall, Budget Bakers excels for hands on budgeting and financial insights, but if you depend on seamless automated syncing or long term data security, you may want to explore more actively maintained alternatives. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.